Jeez, what's going on over here? Look at this. See if I can get some detail. Trying not to disturb this little lovely couple. But it's not just this. I mean, it's on every single top. I don't know what's going on with this plant, but these bugs clearly seem to like it. That's strange. Now, of course, I've seen insects, you know, doing their thing before, but not in bulk like this. It's kind of weird. Look at this guy. Actually, here's another plant over here, and there's plenty more. Yeah, love is in the air, I guess. Anyway, that's it for now. Just a random little peek at nature. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Maybe not as nice as these bugs, but either way, hope the rest of it's good. All right, I'm back for a second here. I just did some research on this, just curious what kind of beetles these were. And these are Japanese beetles, which I've seen before. Maybe I knew that, maybe I didn't. But either way, just learned a ton about them. Pretty interesting stuff. Although they are very harmful for plants. I mean, right now these are just a bunch of weeds and stuff, so I'm not so concerned about it. But if you happen to see these guys in your garden, you probably want to get rid of them. The adults feed on the leaves, but you can see all the holes on this leaf. If I back up a second here, because we don't need to see all that action, right? That's their little private time there. But you can see how this is completely eaten. And they lay their larvae underground and eats all the roots and just kills the plants. But pretty interesting stuff. Anyway, that's all for now. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.